What if I told you there is an app that pays you up to $10,000 per month just for having it on your phone? And the best part is you don't need to code, you don't need to trade. It's completely passive income. The app is called MoM. It's a premium crypto utility app that lets you recover forgotten wallets, mine token seed phrases, and auto-claim crypto airdrops all directly from your phone. Here's how it works. The app scans through millions of 12-word seed phrase combinations and finds wallets with existing crypto like Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, SOL, USDT, and so on. You get the valid seed phrase and full access to the wallet. The app also simulates the wallet creation and mining algorithm to discover abandoned or unused wallets with tokens on them. Using a high-performance scanning algorithm and server-side mining, the app is able to find these wallets without the need for any powerful device. And finally, the app automatically finds and claims eligible crypto airdrops for you. So no more manual hunting and signups on multiple chains. The app supports BTC, ETH, SOL, BNB, USDT, TRX, and more with plans to expand to future blockchains. So what are you waiting for? This is literally free money.